Right, the next problem we seem to have is that the ignition barrel doesn't like to turn. Now, when we bought the car, he put the key and started it before we could even get it off him, so he obviously knew that was a game to get going. I know that it can be a thing on these, and you've got to give it a little rattle backwards and forwards to get it going. So I know you're only supposed to spray graphite type dry spray down there, but we're going to spray some of this in anyway. Get some of the crap out of there. And then we're going to put the key in. And we're going to give it a couple of taps on the end. And what that's supposed to do is let the pins fall down in the barrel, and then it turns easier. Seems to have done the trick. It's just a little wore out, I think. I'll open it up a bit with the key. Give it another quick burst. That's much easier to turn. So there's another one done.